Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. If you also trade on other pairs like GBP USD, Gold USD, USD JPY, GBP JPY and others. So let's get started. So this is the 4 hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now. And as we all know, that market is extremely volatile due to the ongoing war between Russia and the Ukraine. When the news came out, we saw a huge drop on the Euro USD. Okay, and also GBP USD. There was a huge drop on the charts. But when the world realized that NATO and the US is not fighting back, rather they are just imposing sanctions on Russia, we saw recovery on the markets as well. As a result, we saw good recovery on almost all the markets around the world, and as a result, we also saw the impact on the chart of Euro USD as well. So right now there is a recovery mode. Okay, right now there's a recovery mode in the market. Okay, so as a result in this market condition, okay, it is better to look for buying positions only if the recovery still continues or if you see the same recovery on Monday as well. So my dear friends, before I proceed, I would like to request one thing, that this market is very volatile, very sensitive. Whenever you take any position, please follow strict risk management, because any analysis, any good trade setup may fail. So it's your duty to protect your capital, protect your hard-earned money. So let's get started. The last traded price of Euro USD is 1.1271. This is the last traded price of Euro USD. So overall, if you look at the structure of Euro USD here, then obviously very much towards the downside. But as we all know that yes, there are some geopolitical factors that are influencing the market. So as a result, okay, we must consider all the factors here. Okay, right now market is in recovery mode. If we see the recovery mode in continuation on Monday as well, we should look for a buy around this level, 1.1 sorry 1.1235 or 1.1230. Around this level we can hope that if market comes down also we can get some recovery or some bounce from here. If market bounces from this particular level, we can go for a buy. Just make sure that market is still on the recovery mode. In case there is a fresh selling comes to the market, then obviously market will break it and market will fall. And as a result, I was requesting you before that following strict risk management is extremely important in this news sensitive market, because anything may happen. Okay, so please be careful. So if market bounces from this particular level of 1.123530, we can definitely take a buy position. And on the other hand, if the up move continues and if we do not get a chance to take a buy position, then sadly we cannot enter in the middle, because our risk to reward ratio will not match. So in that case we can see some kind of reversal around this trend line or the 50 moving average, because the 50 moving average has been acting as a dynamic resistance, as well as the trend line is also acting as the dynamic resistance for the market. So around 1.1300 to 1.1320 level, we can expect some kind of reversal from the market. If market reverses, well and good, we can take a sell position in this level. But if the recovery is very strong, if market breaks it, don't make the mistake of taking a sell position. So in that case look for buy at retracement only. Okay, buy at dip will be our only solution. Okay, if we see any kind of strong up move on Monday, obviously I'll be covering that part on Monday, because yes, I'm coming on Monday as well. But as of now, just keep in mind, after the market opening, if market comes to this level of 1.123035 level and bounces, we can take a buy. Okay, and if market goes up and reverses from the trend line or the 50 moving average, which is also acting as the dynamic resistance, we can take a sell as well. Apart from these two levels, you can see that the ultimate support is available at 1.1100. Yes, in case there is a huge fall in the market, because as we all know that market is very volatile right now. So if we see some kind of extreme selling in the market, then yes, we can hope that 1.1100 will be the next big support for the market, and it will be the level that will try to hold euro USD. Okay, and definitely we can take a buy in this support, and if market breaks this level of 1.1100, then that will be a disaster. Because we will get to see a fresh wave of selling below this support as well. But on the other hand, I would like to talk about one more level. Okay, that is 1.1160. 1.1160 to 1.1170. This level is also a support for the market. Okay, in case under normal circumstances, not under any geopolitical influence, under normal circumstances, if market comes down to the level of 1.1160 to 1.1170, this zone, okay, we can expect some kind of bounce or price reversal from here as well. So these are the important levels for the market as of now. So if you have an ongoing buy position on Euro USD, then you have done a great job. Continue with your buy position, because the world market is in recovery mode right now, and in fact Euro USD is also in recovery mode right now. So continue with your buy position. But if you're looking for fresh position on Euro USD, then yes, buy at dip is the best solution if the recovery continues in the market. Okay, in that case, this level 1.123035 is a good level if market comes and bounces. If market goes up and reverses from the trend line, from the moving average, which is the dynamic resistance for the market, that can be also a selling position for us. But if the recovery continues in the market, then obviously market will break it and start going up. In that case, this level will not be valid for us. Okay, but if market also comes to the level of 1.1160, 1.1170, we can also take a buy here as well. And ultimate support for Euro USD is available at 1.1100. So these are the levels for Euro USD. I'll be coming down on Monday, okay, to cover up the chart of Euro USD. Please follow strict risk management and keep in touch with the news, because this market is very, very news sensitive. And in case anything bad happens, okay, you should be very ready now. Okay, so use proper stop loss and risk management. Bye bye. Take care.